So if you're seeing this video, you need to understand you are seeing it in a very, 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 very right time. Okay, because first of all, this is the time when Ma Kamakhya, Ma Sati, is on her divine feminine mode. Okay, divine feminine way. She is in that fragile time when she is the power of manifestation. She is already manifestation in herself, but at this point of time she is, like whatever you ask for, it has to be very much logical. First of all, she will listen to you. So last year at this time, I just prayed her, and the things which I prayed her, I have everything right now. I am healthy, I am financially free, I am having everything. And that is because of Ma. She is so good. She is so good. Be, you just need to have that faith and intention, and you just need to sit with her, talk to her. That's it. She just wants that. She just wants your childlike love, and that's it. So my advice it would be to you is like, just ask with pure intention what is your thing which you want to ask her. It can be anything without harming others. It cannot be something in which you are having envious, you are having any kind of emotion that is in low frequency. What is low frequency? I have made a video out of it where I talk about emotions and frequencies. So we have various frequencies according to the frequency chart, right? So we need to have our chakras in a very, and you do not have to push yourself to do it. It will happen when you think of yourself and your loved ones with pure intention. Then there is no room for envy. There is no room for asking things bad for others. Ma is everybody's Ma, right? If you're asking something bad for others, you need to remember she is the mother of that particular individual also. So you need to ask what is your thing you want to improve. You need to ask for what are the best things which you can have, what makes you feel happy. And I know that if you're seeing me, you are a very good soul. So I would just ask you to feel that she's listening, and have that utmost faith and grace, and just surrender it to her. I am so blessed. I remember that last year I just gave, I think, 21 rupees I had in my bank balance, or 51 rupees which I could afford to give. Of course, I could do something more, but I had some other calculations, so I gave to my friend who was there in Makamakhya's place. And you know what? Like, the love and purity she had, that is surreal, bro. Like, I can't even explain you. And it's about the divine femininity. You can do rituals, you can cleanse you can cleanse your body, you can cleanse your, you can detoxify your stuffs, I know. And in this time you will feel like what's going on, like the situations will make you feel, the momaya, the paradigm which I talk about, will make you feel like what is happening. You will become tired. You, why it is happening, that you will be in that moment, you would be bound to sit with Maya and ask that why it is happening, God. That is the reason. She would, if you forget, she will make a more Maya where you will be seeking for her. It happened with me. It's not that I'm egoistic. Today I have everything. I last year I asked her and now I'm not remembering her. But I always ask God that, God, don't make me so much fall into the more Maya that I forget about you. And now, yesterday, not only yesterday, since 2 to 3 days, like my last trip which I did, everything, like everything was feeling like what is happening, what is happening, and why it is happening. Like, I don't even know why it is happening, God. Like, I was not doing wrong to anyone else. Like, one thing after other things were doing, and that time I could have told that, oh, why it happens with me only. Then I understood that I need to detoxify myself, I need to sit with Ma. And now that I'm recording, I'm doing my karma and dharma, because if I tell you guys, you will also do that thing. You will also, like, do um a very good, like, alignment with yourself. And give me 1 minute, 1 minute. I don't know why I felt like just, like, having a tarot session as well with you. I am actually, I have, I am in my, like, a little bit of break time. Let's just see that what Ma has for you, like what God has for you. And I will just pick a random. Let me just cleanse. I have already cleansed my cards. Okay. Let's just see what God has for you. Okay. We will try to bring out the best. Okay. One card just fell. Actually, two. So actually, there are a lot of the cards which fell. So I will just not take everything, but I'll take the most upright card, and you will be shocked to see what it came. And as I was saying, this is also the year mid, right? एकदम middle year में हम लोग हैं. 6 months already done. 6 months is about to come. So 555 when I'm saying it, it's four of wands. Okay, and if you can just see the picture, okay, they are dancing, they're enjoying. So Maya is just telling that you are taking a lot of stress. It's also for me, like, thank you so much, Ma, for the guidance. So she is telling that we are taking a lot of suppression and stress from the outer paradigm. We do not need to take, we are there, her child, right? We need to have that thing that if we are her child, we just need to be relaxed. We cannot, like, the outer paradigm will tell it. See, there is some certain thing called relaxation. Okay, and there is another thing called not having accountability. So you're not doing that, right? You're not having no accountability for yourself. You are having accountability and responsibility, but don't make it fall for yourself. Suppose, like, what happens is, like, once we actually, think in certain, because of the pattern, we think like what else, what they are thinking, and we overburden ourselves. They are actually not thinking anything. Only they also have certain, maybe they are, like, maybe they are giving you silent treatment, you are thinking, but maybe they are not giving you silent, they are already stressed about their own thing. But we think in this manner, and then we overburden or give ourselves the burnout. It's also with me. So we need to just relax and enjoy. The real person will always be there with you. You just have to be you, you just have to live a life, a very wholesome life wherein you can be yourself. Okay? So that is the very beautiful guidance which I got. And I just needed to come and talk to you guys about it. And I did it, and I'm glad that I did, and I'm now feeling very better. And this is also a thing for me that this card, see, this card shows a lot. Okay, that means with that, again, the hanged man came. Hanged man shows that we are, again, see, we are making ourselves a lot, suppressed, or like unnecessary, बहुत कुछ ले लिया है टेंशन ऐसा टाइप का, and we cannot do that to ourselves. We need to live a very beautiful life, and that can only happen by just maintaining that faith in God, that God is there with us. We need to enjoy the process, we need to enjoy our time. It can also symbolize you taking a break, take going for a vacation, just, like, cherishing what you have been in this life. It's time for you to have that vacation, me time, going on self date, going on anything, just buying yourself cute stuffs which you want to do, living a life which is really blissful and enjoyable, and making the most out of life by not thinking that life is too short. No, life is never too short. You need to remove that thing. You need to feel like life is present. This is life, okay? That is the thing God is telling. Ma is with us. See, I am really happy that it came for us. It's literally thing that let's smile life, guilt free. Let's smile. Let's enjoy. I'm so blessed. Thank you so much, Ma. Thank you so much.